Hello, guys, this is Dr. P, and I want to solve with you today a problem from NCF exam. Let's see what's all about. What is the approximate measure of an angle in a non-right triangle? So let's see what's given in the problem. We have the length of the sides, 5, 10, and 6 of the triangle, and is required an angle. As we discussed before, when you have a non-right triangle and two sides are given and you need to find an angle, it's about the law of cosine, that fraction form. So let's revise again this law of cosine. So what states this law of cosine? So cosine of an angle A is equal with a fraction. What's on the top? On the top we have b square plus c square. This means that we have the sum of the squares of the adjacent sides of the angle. And then minus a square minus the third side divided by 2 times b times c. 2 times the adjacent angle that sides of the angle that should be multiplied. So let's go on our problem and let's apply for cosine x. So we have a fraction. So cosine x will be equal with a fraction. On the top will be the sum of the squares of the adjacent sides of the angle. So it will be 5 square plus 6 square minus the third side square, then that is 10 square, and divided by 2 times 5 times 6. We multiply by 2 the adjacent angle. This is what we revised before. So how do you find the angle? When you have the cosine of the angle, you know when you want to find the angle inside. So here, all the time when you want to find the argument of a function, because cosine is a function, you apply the inverse function. So x should be equal the inverse of cosine of this fraction, of this number. 5 square plus 6 square minus 10 square over 2 times 5 times 6. It's time to go on technology. Let's see. So we have already the numerator because you want to divide. Don't forget on decimal. If you click like that, you don't have all the fractions. So that's why it's very important to use parentheses. So let's use parentheses. So let's go back here with this law. Not here. Let's go back. Okay, so here we insert parentheses, divide by 2 times 5 times 6. And then we have cosine at -1 in front. So again, go on the back and insert parentheses. Go on the front, insert parentheses. And again, go with the cursor on the front and you will insert from inverse function cosine inverse. So here is the answer, 130.54. Our answer is in degrees, so we are fine. We are on degrees, we are not on radians when you want to switch. So you want to approximate to the nearest tens. So our approximation will be 130.5. So your answer will be D. Thank you for watching this tutorial and I hope that you enjoy to solve together a problem from NCFE exam using the law of cosine. Have a great day.